Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Colgate Palmolive India. Our analyst upgrades rating on Colgate Palmolive to buy from hold with an unchanged price target of Rs 3,555 on account of better earnings visibility compared with large peers and favorable risk-reward ratio. Lower per capita consumption of toothpaste and weak oral hygiene provide ample opportunity to strengthen the core oral toothpaste business, while toothbrush and building of personal care provide good support. Volume growth improved to high single digits in first half of FY25, ahead of the industry. Also, revenue grew in double digits. Revenue growth momentum is likely to sustain with a steady mix of volume, price hike and mix improvement in the near term. Operating profit margin remained flat at 32.5% in first half, likely to save 600 bps through efficiency in calendar year 2024. It will be reinvested in packaging and strengthening the core portfolio. The stock trades at 49 times FY26 and 44 times FY27 EPS. Next, we cover Protean eGov Technologies. Our analyst maintains positive view on Protean with price target of Rs 2,510. As we believe the recent correction of 20% from all-time high levels provide a good investment opportunity for investors looking to leverage this unique play, which is powering India's digital public infrastructure from a medium to long-term perspective. We expect sales CAGR of 18% and PAT CAGR of 30% over FY24 to 27. At current market price, the stock trades at 52.5 times its FY25, 43.6 times FY26 and 33.1 times FY27 EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.